friends, today we're going to draw Astronaut.
I hope you're excited to follow along with us. This is what our drawings look like at the very end. Now we used our crayons to draw with, but you could use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even oil pastels. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's start with our gray crayon, and we're going to draw the helmet for our astronaut. I'm going to draw a big helmet, that size. Yes. And then we can draw a line going across the top for the visor. Then we can also draw the ears. Let's draw a rectangle shape on each side. Yeah, and then one on the other side. And then we can draw the body. Let's draw a square. And then we can draw a rectangle shape that's curved coming out for one arm. So yeah, there you go. And then you could also draw the arms going a different direction too. You don't have to do it the same. I'm going to change this one going up. And then let's draw our spaceman floating out in space. So we're going to draw the one leg coming out this way. So a curved rectangle shape. And then I'm going to draw another curved rectangle shape going this way. Yeah. Now let's draw the hands. We're going to just keep it simple and draw a little letter C on both sides. And then also the moon boots. I'm going to draw a shape like this. Kind of looks like a jelly bean. Now let's draw extra details on our spaceman's suit or astronaut suit. I'm going to draw a rectangle here, and our friends could change the details. You don't have to do it the same as us. Okay, and then I'm going to draw two lines coming down holding this stuff on his chest or her chest, and I'm going to draw two lines coming out to the side. Then let's also draw two lines on the knees and two lines on the elbows. We did it! We finished drawing our little spaceman, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you could pause the video to match our same color, and you could also change the colors and even add more details, like a background. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring our astronauts and they turned out awesome. I especially love yours and all the little extra details you added. We added the spaceship and stars. Mine looks like an airplane though.
An airplane in space.
Yeah, and then I also added a satellite down here. Our friends could add even more things. What else could they add?
You could add the Earth and some aliens.
Oh, aliens would make your drawing even better, but I love it just the way it is. Oh, and also I went around the outside of mine with a black crayon just to make it look more 3D or like it's popping out of the paper. But you could leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier. Oh, and I also especially love the face that you added with the eyelashes.
Thank you. We hope you have fun drawing astronauts.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.